Okay, students, so we are back with new chapter, that is your human health and disease. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about different diseases like your communicable disease, non-communicable disease, immunity, acquired immunity, passive immunity. Okay, all the things required to a disease possesses with the disease we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so let's get started with this. So first we have a hypothesis, okay, which we have called good humor hypothesis. Okay, so health for a long time was considered the state of body and mind where there was balance of certain humors. Okay, humors, what is this? This is liquid which is present inside our body. Okay, these liquid are responsible for our health. In the previous years, in 2000 ADs, okay, AD, okay, that time of years, that time health is recognized with the liquid which is present inside the body. So on the basis of that, our body have four types of liquid: blood, yellow bile, black bile, and talcum. Okay, this theory is now not, this theory is not rejected. Okay, this theory is not now not used by us. Okay, so this is the previous theory in which health for a long time was considered as a state of body and mind where there was a balance of certain humor. If your body have a balance between blood, yellow bile, black bile, and phalgum, then you are become a healthy person according to the old people. Okay, so humor equals to fluid in the body. It was believed that increase of black bile in the body increases fever. Okay, this black bile, if the level of these black bile increase in your body, means that sign of that you having disease, you having fever. Okay, so these are different liquids according to Hippocrates. Okay, that these are different liquid present inside the body of human: blood, yellow bile, black bile, phalgum, which is responsible for balancing our body hemostasis. If there is disbalance taking place in any one of them, okay, then it affects the body health. This is the theory according to old peoples. Okay, then after that, two scientists will come. Okay, in 16th century, that is English physician known as William Harvey conducted a series of experiments to understand blood and circulation. Okay, he provided that many important insight into the blood circulatory system, which lead to the understand that blood circulation makes sure that right body temperature is maintained. Okay, your blood circulation is the main thing which is controlling your body temperature. Okay, that's why we are known as warm blooded organisms. Okay, our blood is the main item, is the main substance inside your body which controlling the body temperature. The up and the down of the temperature inside your body, it is because of blood. Okay, so consequently good humor hypothesis of health was disagreed. Okay, according to that William Harvey, it is blood who controlling the temperature of your body, but that your hypothesis, good humor hypothesis, said this four humors are there and these four humor controlling your body temperature, but it is not true. Only blood is the thing that controls the body temperature. Either it is warm or that cold, it is controlled by blood. Okay, so now what is the definition of health? What is a health? So health is the it is a balancing of different things is a simultaneous form, or it is the mind of a person or a status of a person in which its mental well-being, physical well-being, social well-being and absence of disease happening in the same time, then it is called health. Okay, so since the great work of pioneers and their discoveries have changed the definitions of health, according to WHO, health is the state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. Okay, means your body should be physically, socially, mentally normal, and disease is not there inside your body. Your body does not contain any disease, then that condition, that state of the body is called health. Okay, that condition, that state of the body is called health. Okay, next, so consequences. What are the good effect of a good health? What are the consequences of good health? If you have a good health, then what will happen? First, high efficiency at work. Automatically, when you are good in health, you will more productive, you become more productive, you will do work with full energy, so your efficiency at work become higher. Okay, next one, love maternal and infant mortality. Okay, the low maternal and infant mortality. Okay, that mother and baby death rate decreases automatically when you have a good health. Okay, then economical growth equals to, when you are highly efficient at work, equally you will become economically growth. Okay, you are become economically balanced when you have a good health. Okay, next, increase longevity of individual. Okay, the more healthy you are, the more aged you are. Okay, the more healthy you are, the more long you will live. Okay, सो फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग हेल्थ, सबसे पहले होते हैं जेनेटिक फैक्टर्स. ओके, सो पेरेंट passes on their traits to the genetic material to offspring. Okay, this like mother and this father, you are the offspring. Okay, sometimes genetic material undergoes some changes due to mutation which will be harmful and it will make offspring defective. Okay, the offspring which is produced by these defective genes are having defects, that is your genetic disorders. So that baby is born with a genetic disorder, the baby is not healthy. Okay, so genetic factors, so the factor affecting health, the mutation that inherit from by offspring can lead to genetic disorders. A disease disorder can be caused in an individual due to change in the DNA sequence inherited from parents, example Down syndrome, sickle cell anemia. All these are different type of syndromes and diseases which occur inside the body of human because of defective of propagation of genes from mother father to the baby. Okay, the mutation occurring inside the body of mother and father going out into the next progeny causes these diseases inside the baby. Okay, next, lifestyle. Okay, the unhealthy lifestyle, the fast food conducting lifestyle. Okay, the fast lifestyle of our nowadays is very dangerous for our health. Okay, so lifestyle including food and water we take, rest and exercise we give to our body, habits that we are on, like example, for example, good personal hygiene is essential to keep ourselves clean. Poor hygiene will make you fall sick. Okay, you are drinking sugary drinks, you are eating fast food, you are not going to gym, you are not even moving from one place to another place, you cannot go within 1 kilometer without vehicle, then automatically you become unhealthy. Okay, you are eating junk food, you are eating sugary drinks, carbonated drinks, you are moving 1 kilometer with the bikes, you are not using your foot to walk, you are not going to gym, you are not doing exercise, you are not doing cardio. These all are the consequences. The consequences of not doing all these things is unhealthy personality. Okay, those sedentary lifestyle, sugary drinks, junk food, all these are the precursor and factor that affects your health. Okay, so factor affecting health. Now second one is infection. Okay, an infection is an invasion of organism, body tissue by disease causing agent known as pathogen. So what is infection? This is the definition of infection, in which I want to say that infection is the invasion of organism, body tissue, disease causing agent known as pathogen. Means when a disease causing pathogen get enter inside your body get affected. That thing is called infection. Okay, so that when we break down this word pathogen, we get two things: pathos and gen. Pathos means disease and gen means producing. The disease producing organism, the disease causing organism, when entered inside your body, it causes infection, and these organisms are called pathogens. Okay, so pathogens can be virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, helminthes. Okay, viral disease causes by virus, bacterial diseases causes by bacteria, fungal diseases caused by fungus, protozoal infection causes by protozoa, and helminthes infection caused by your helminthes. Okay, so first we are going to start with immune system. Okay, then we are going to the diseases, after that HIV, AIDS, then cancer, then drug abuse. Okay, so first we have immune system. Okay, so what is immune system? It is a system of your body which controlling controlling the cells like WBCs. Okay, yeah, like your T lymphocyte, B lymphocyte, which stop the invasion of pathogen inside the body, which inhibit the growth of invasion inside the body. That system, which system control all these things, is called immune system. And you know what, immune system is the most complex system of your body. Okay, second complex one is your neural system, but the most complex system of your body is immune system. Okay, cell of immune system defend our body from attack of pathogens. These cells distinguish between cells that are part of the body and cells that are not, thus need to be attacked. Okay, what is the purpose of your immune system? What is the work? It will attack the foreign bodies, the foreign cells which are not your body cells, and protect the cells which belongs to your body only. Okay, mind influences the immune system through neural system and endocrine system, and it is the immune system that maintain our health. Immune system is responsible for the maintenance of our health. If you remove the immune system, you are not even, you are even killed by a simple disease, a simple microbial activity inside your body. Okay, so that's how your brain controlling that immune system. Okay, endocrine and neural system, these all are different cells present inside your body which control your immunity, and that is your health means up. Okay, so first we have antigens. So now what is the antigen? Antigens are that protein which is present on the surface of pathogen, and these antigen are recognized by our immune system. Okay, these are the portion of pathogen that body recognize as foreign and harmful to the body, which can result in immune response. Our body is constantly attacked by pathogen present in our environment, but we fall sick only a few times, and most of the times we remain healthy because of our immunity. Okay, these types of pathogens are roaming in the air every time we inhale them, but we do not get that much that disease every time. Okay, but how we are aware, how our body is protective about these pathogens which is roaming outside? The reason is our immunity. Our immunity is responsible for the protection of our body from these pathogen which is roaming inside the hair. Okay, so these antigens are the proteins which is present on the surface of pathogen, and our body recognize first these antigens and make memory against that for next time when these pathogen invade inside our body. Now we have the memory against that pathogen, and now automatically our body have a defense mechanism, have an idea how to remove this pathogen from body without causing any side effect on the body. Okay, so on the basis of that, we have two types of immunity: innate immunity and acquired immunity. Okay, innate immunity means the immunity which is present by the birth. By birth, the immunity which is present inside your body is called innate immunity. Okay, and the immunity which is acquired by you, which you plan, which you taken from the outside by taking the memory, which is based on the memory, is your acquired immunity. Okay, so innate immunity is the ability of to fight pathogen which is present since birth. It is non-specific as it fights against all kind of pathogen. It is non-adaptive. Okay, innate immunity does not see either it is what type of pathogen. It will run away on all the pathogens. It will fight back with all the pathogen which is present inside the air, inside the body. Okay, while your acquired immunity, it is specific. It will go and kill to a specific organism. It will give and kill to the specific pathogen inside your body. Okay, it is an ability to fight pathogen which is developed over a period time. Okay, next, the ability of host fight the disease causing organism confronted by the immune system called immunity. Based on how it adopted, it is categorized into two types. That is your innate, which is by birth, and it is broad. It does not distinguish between how many pathogens are there inside your body. It kills all the things. Acquired immunity, it is a specific one. Okay, and it will come after the exposure to particular pathogen. Okay, your body make memory against that pathogen, and that will store inside the memory of your immune system, and next time when that pathogen come inside your body, it will go and attack that. Okay, so this is your innate and acquired. Okay, so based on the order of response, immunity is made up of three lines of defense: innate, first line of defense, second line of defense. while your acquired one is the third line of defense of your body. Okay, again I am saying innate is the first line of defense, second line defense, and your acquired immunity forms the third line of defense. Okay, let's see all these lines. So first we have innate first line of defense, that is your physical barrier. Okay, these provide mechanical defense against microbes. These include skin and mucous membrane. Okay, the first line of defense, that's just like your skin and mucous membrane. Okay, they act as a first line of defense. When your pathogen will interact with these, they are already does not get entered inside the body. Okay, so when the pathogen attack, to be faced the first line of defense which contain different barriers, that is your physical barrier. These provide mechanical defense against microbes. These include skin and mucous membrane. This is first line of defense. Okay, or that skin, how your skin work against the pathogen. So our whole body is covered by skin. Skin acts as a shield and prevent pathogen from entering in our bodies. These skin avoid entry of pathogen inside the deep parts of the body. Okay, to the visceral organs of the body, that pathogen does not reach because of skin. Okay, second one is mucous membrane forms the coating on the epithelium lining of respiratory, gastrointestinal and urogenital tract. So means after skin you have mucous membrane. Okay, means if someone is attacking a particular country, so the first line of defense is your physical barriers. In that physical barrier, the first physical barrier is skin. If it crosses the skin, then it will have to fight with mucous membrane. Okay, so these are the two lines which is present inside your physical barrier. Okay, mucous membrane, it is also that part of physical barrier. Okay, it is a dense fluid. When microbes enter, mucus trap the microbes while the ciliated cells move into the coordinate fashion to remove them from the body. Okay, that's how organisms are become they're thrown out from the body. Okay, now second we have this first line of defense. The second component is physiological barrier. Okay, now it's a chemical barriers. Also we call physiological barriers chemical barriers. Okay, so physical barriers provide harsh condition to microbes such that they cannot survive, just like acid in the stomach, saliva in the mouth, and tears kill these microbes. Tear and saliva have lysozyme enzyme which destroy them. Okay, in physiological barrier you get chemical substances like acid, enzymes, okay, which interact with these microbes and inhibit the invasion of the microbes inside the body. If these microbes get entered and get easily, मतलब वो लोग यदि फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस से बच गए, if they are safe from, they are get safe enter inside your body by first line of defense, then they have to fight with these physiological barriers. Okay, now the second line of defense of your body is cellular barrier. Okay, cellular barrier, our body is guarded by many cells which fight against pathogen. These cells form second line of defense. Okay, the cells, the different categories of cell: mast cell, macrophages, lymphocytes, dendritocyte cells. Okay, these all cells are called cellular barriers, and these are second line of defense of your body. Okay, so on the basis of that we have different types. The first type of cellular barrier is neutrophils. Okay, they are also called polymorphic nuclear lymphocytes, leukocytes, PML or PMNL. Okay, because of varying shape and their nuclei. This is PMNL neutrophil. Okay, helps in phagocytosis and inbreeding of bacteria. That's how your PML look in cartoon. Okay, this is a cartoonic images in which you will see this is your PML. Okay, this is your Jian. Okay, from Doraemon, Jian. You are seeing Jian. Okay, so this is your cellular barrier, that's polymorphonuclear leukocyte, PMNL or neutrophils. Okay, first type of cell in cellular barrier. Okay, next we have these neutrophils are present in blood. When the pathogen cross skin and tries to invade further, it become encountered by neutrophil. Okay, means when the pathogen wants to enter inside your blood capillaries, blood vessels, okay, then they have to fight with these neutrophils. Okay, and these neutrophil can easily kill them, easily delete them from the blood vessels. Okay, neutrophils have the ability to phagocyte pathogen and digest them, thereby protecting the body. They can also secrete granules which can bite to bacteria and destroy them. Okay, in 11th class you studied that there is two type of WBC, that is agranulocyte and granulocyte. In granulocyte you studied 3-1, that is neutrophil, eosinophil, basidophil. These are the neutrophils, granulocyte, that why it is written secrete granules. These granules is enzymatic in nature, they get inside the body of pathogen and degrade the body of the pathogen. Okay, now second type of cells barriers are monocytes. Okay, they can detect the region of infection. Okay, they have the power of detection, okay, of pathogen. Monocyte give rise to macrophages in tissue. Okay, their work is to give rise to new macrophages inside the body of the organism. Okay, monocyte transform into third type of cell called macrophages, means the precursor cell, the originator cell of your macrophages is monocyte. Monocyte converts modified into macrophages. Okay, so macrophages have the ability to do phagocytis, pathogen and digest them. These cells are also release cytokines. This is your macrophage, MOTU. Okay, and this is your monocyte. These cell will convert into these cell. Okay. Next is your fourth type of cellular barrier, that is killer cell. Okay, they are more powerful and dangerous. Okay, these cells can release chemical which kill the bacteria as well as infect the cells. These are your killer cell. T killer, okay, different killer category you are to listen. Natural killer cell, NK killer cell, T killer cell. Okay, natural killer cell kill the invading bacteria. Their main function, their main motive inside your immune system is to kill the foreign body. Okay, only to kill the foreign body, their main motive is to kill the foreign body. Okay, so we done with physical barrier. Okay, that is your skin, mucus. Okay, then physiological barrier, that is your acid, tears. Okay, lysozymes, enzymes, saliva. Okay, third one is your cellular barrier. Okay, that is the second line of defense, in which you study different types of cell, macrophages, neutrophil, monocytes, NK killer cells. Okay, now the fourth thing is your cytokine barrier. Okay, if pathogens are able to cross all these barriers and are successful in infecting the cell, then our body used to special kind of immunity known as cytokine barrier. Okay, if your pathogen is cross this, then it have to face this. Is if cross these, then it have to face this. If that cross this, then your body secret special weapon of your body, that is cytokine barrier. That is a special weapon which is present inside your body, which help in killing and making stimulus alarming type of situation inside your body to fight against the pathogens. Okay, so that let's see. So these are the proteins which protect cell from further pathogen infection. Example, interferon. Okay, interferon are produced in the response to viral infection. These protect non-infected cell from further viral infection. Okay, interferons are the proteins which secrete during the time of your viral infection. At the time of viral infection, your cells secrete that interferon. Then the virus invaded inside the cell body, it secrete interferon, and that interferon go in the nearby cells and alarm them, and that get them to know that my neighbor have a virus, my neighbor have an invader. Okay, so this is that thing. Okay, during viral infection, virus attach to the host cell and enter in it, thus host cell and get entered the virus. Okay, that I said, virus get entered into the host cell. Now it start doing its work. Okay, replication, the transcription, reverse transcription. These are the proteins which protect cell from further pathogen infection. Example, interferon. तो ये अपना काम चालू करेंगे. Okay, so what will we do? Once inside the host cell, virus start multiplying its genetic material, new viral particles are produced. That you study, same thing you study in HIV also. It will go inside the infected cell and start doing multiplication, increases itself inside the cell. Okay, and occupy the machinery of the cell. Next, in response to viral infection, host cell produces protein called interferon. Now when your cell get infected with virus, your cells start, that infected cell start to secrete out interferons. Okay, these interferons. Okay, now infected cell release interferon to alter nearby cell about the virus. Now this interferon will come out from this infected cell and go by nearby non-infected cell and binds with them and make them to ready to make them face the viral infection, the virus coming to them in far future. Okay, interferon bind to the receptor present on the nearby cell, binding of interferon causing these near cell to release antiviral proteins. Okay, now these cells which are healthy cell, when the interferon which is coming out from your infected cell binded with these cells, they start an alarming condition, in which alarming condition what happens, your body start to produce antiviral proteins to face again, to work again, to make that virus activity inactive inside your body. They release antiviral proteins. Okay, that's how your interferon works inside your body. Okay, as the virus enters the nearby cell where antiviral protein have been produced, the protein prevents the virus from replicating. Now your virus cannot replicate in the nearby cells. Okay, so consequences of good. Now till now what we studied, now the summary of that what we studied. Okay, so first we studied the definition. Okay, definition of it is a state of a person in which its mental, physical and social life health is well-being and it does not contain any disease, then that state is called health. Okay, so consequences of good health: efficient of work, reduced maternal and infantile mortality, economical growth and increased longevity. Factor affecting health: genetic factor, lifestyle and infection. These all are the factors which affect a good health. Okay, next we studied that different types of immunity: innate, acquired. In innate we studied there is two lines of defense. First line of defense, that is your physical barrier and physiological barrier. Then we studied about second line of defense of your body, that is your cellular barrier and cytokine barrier. Cytokine barrier releases interferon. Your cellular barrier releases four types of immunity cells, that is your neutrophils, monocytes, macrophages, natural killer cell, NK killer cells. Then physiological barriers is your stomach acid, saliva, tears, and your physical barrier is skin and mucous membrane. Okay, that we studied today. Next is your acquired immunity, that is your immunity which you acquired after the birth, that plays inside your blood, which is based on the memory. That is the acquired immunity. That is your third line of defense. Okay, so in next class we are going to study about acquired immunity. Okay, for now thank you for the watching. Like, share, subscribe and grow with tapasya, learn with tapasya and kabhi jhukne ka nahi. All the best for your goals.